Okay, now let us check what are the categories of SQL command. Okay, so SQL commands is classified into following categories. That is this three categories: data definition language command, second is data manipulation language command, third is data control language command, and fourth one is transaction control language command. The very first one is data definition language command. See this, the very first one is DDL command. Just remember, this data definition language command is all about creation and deletion. Just take these two words, creation as well as deletion. So from here you can easily get to know that which are the commands in SQL which is considered onto this DDL type. So see, the DDL part of SQL, it permits database tables to be created or deleted. That simply means what? DDL command is all about creation. It simply combines all that tables which is responsible for creation or deletion, right? So it's for creation, what we do, we may suppose if I need to create database, so I'll make use of this create database command, right? The very first one is what? Create database command, because it is creation part, and if we are supposed to create a database, we will make use of this create a database command. Likewise, suppose you want to create table, so here command name will be create table command. Command name will be create table command. Third one is what? Alter table and drop table. See here word is creation or deletion. So from this creation we have taken these two commands, that is create database and create table. Third is deleted. Now I think we all know very well, if we want to delete a table, so we make use of drop table. So drop comes under this category. Okay. Last is alter table. Alter is what? It simply modifies a table. Means it brings changes onto columns of a table. So this is all about DDL type. Let us move second category. This is DML type. As name suggests, data manipulation language command. That means updation part, any changes, any manipulation part. So any such manipulation commands comes under this category. Now see select. Select, how select functions? It simply extracts data from a table. Manipulation work is being done, so select comes under this DML category. Likewise update. I think update meaning is clear to you all. Simply updates a row onto a table. It updates a data. Again it comes under DML category. Third is delete. Delete simply brings changes to a row. We can say simply deletes a data from a row, or delete simply deletes the record from a table. So delete comes under DML category. Last one is insert into. So again, by inserting a value, what we are doing, we are simply entering new data onto a table. So these four are the categories of DML command which comes under data manipulation language command. Third is DCL, that is data control language. Here control, speak the word control. So the two commands comes under this category, that is grant as well as revoke. This is not in your syllabus, but just keep this commands in your mind. Fourth one is transaction control language command. This is important. Transaction is what? Simply one unit of work which is complete in itself. So transaction, onto this transaction language, transaction control language command. Again we have certain categories of SQL statement. The very first is start transaction. Start transaction. Start transaction tells you that our transaction is being started. Second one is save point. Third one is rollback. Fourth one is commit. And last is set auto commit. Again this TCL commands, I think last year we read it in a very short manner, but this time if chapter is there of transactions, so we are going to deal about this command separately. Till the time, I think just remember these categories as well as their commands which comes under which category. Okay,